Good morning. What's up, my fellow small business supporters? I am so tired this morning, so I'm just gonna wear the exact same clothes that I wore to sleep in. So let's get the day started. There's a lot of stuff to accomplish today. I'm going to be making some coffee. I've got a lot to accomplish today, starting with a conference call for work. Then I'm probably going to hop on the live stream and do some social media promotion stuff. I've got a lot of copy to write for social media, a lot of things to plan. But the biggest thing I'm going to be doing today and tomorrow is preparing for C2E2, which is Chicago Comic and Entertainment Expo, or like the Chicago version of Comic-Con. We're preparing for that to exhibit there for the first time with my small business, Forever Home Friends. So there's a lot to accomplish. Let's get it done. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, because multiple times a week I put out new videos about books, writing, and small business owner life. Today I have another small business owner day in the life vlog for you guys, because there is a lot for me to get done in my small business owner life today, and I really want to show you guys everything I'm working on right now because it is super exciting. I need more coffee. I'm kind of putting on this energy right now. If you are interested in seeing more about my small business in addition to what you see in this vlog today, please check out foreverhomefriends.com, linked in the description below. I run a small business that produces children's books and stuffed animals, all based on the stories of real rescue dogs, and as you'll see today, I'm also producing additional toys as well to go with them, and we give 10% of our profits to local animal shelters, so it's a good cause. I also have merch available for my channel now, so if you want to support this channel, you can check out my merch. A lot of it is fun inside jokes from the channel, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Go ahead and check that out in the description below, or if you I just want to show how much I support small businesses all the time, you can go ahead and get a small business supporter tote bag, also linked in the description below, which is now available in both white and black. Finally, if you are interested in me as an author of all kinds of books, you can check out my new adult LGBT novel, Sculpt Yourself, linked in the description below, or my young adult novella, Beauty King, or my YA contemporary novel, One Final Vinyl, is now on Goodreads. You can add it to your TBR, and the pre-orders for that are coming soon, so go ahead and check that out in the description below as well. So today is actually kind of busy AF. In just a couple of minutes, I have to get on a conference call for work, so I am going to be on that call for a few minutes. Then I'm going to hop onto the live stream with Lisa Daly, and we are going to do some writing sprints. What I'm going to do during my writing sprints is get my copy written for social media. Guys, I was sick last week, and I got so behind on social media. I haven't posted things, and it has been affecting my online presence. So I'm going to be writing a ton of social media copy, scheduling all of that, trying to get that done. In the background while I'm doing that, I need to run a few loads of laundry and also run some 3D prints. I've got so many things I need to print to get ready for C2E2, including little cameras for the Chewie stuffed animal. I have little toy cameras that I made for him, and also the Forever Home Friends necklace, the little paw print heart necklace that I made. I originally made it for Valentine's Day, but I like it, so I'm gonna make more of them, also because they only take like 15 minutes to print on the 3D printer. They're really small. So I'm gonna make some 3D printed handmade jewelry. That should be fun. Anyway, after that, I'm going to be scheduling social media. I've got a call with my business consultant friend, so that'll be fun. And then from there, I'm going to be heading to the grocery store. I'm going to make dinner. And then in the evening, that is all going to be about getting things handmade and done. So that is going to be sanding down some of my plastic, painting it, threading things together. You'll see what I mean. I've got to get all of that done. Got a big long to-do list, and then tomorrow, I didn't finish filling out my planner for tomorrow, so don't look at that. But tomorrow I've got a lot more things to get done to prepare for C2E2 as well. In the morning I gotta wake up early and go to a networking meeting for the Chamber of Commerce in my neighborhood in Chicago. They're having a meeting for that, so I'm gonna be heading to that. And then after that, it's going to be kind of assembling the pieces of the display. So, you guys, I'm so excited for you to come along with me on this ride. Let's do it! business call in just a second. So we are just moving forward. I've got 2 calls in a row. I'm going to be talking about business with one of my friends who works with me, and then I'm going to be talking with my mom about things for our display, and then I am going to continue on creating things. So let's keep moving. Is it cool with you if I vlog our phone call?
Sure. Just let me know when you start.
I mean, I started it a while ago, but like I'll cut things out if you don't want them.
No, anyway, so yeah. So first, I guess let's just go over your week. How's your week been? How was since our last time we spoke?
The week, I'm catching back up right now. So I was sick last week, so like I got way behind on social media. I got way behind on my spreadsheets. I got way behind on like my internet presence, just on everything. So I was a mess. And now I'm trying to get everything kind of going back together this week. So I spent like this morning I was on a writing sprints live stream. So I spent all the writing sprints writing Instagram copy. So within the next 2 hours, I should have that all scheduled for the week. Hopefully I can get next week's done too, if I stay productive.
Great. And I assuming you're going to get some decent play from your upcoming video on, sorry, I'm just looking for a haircut. On Friday with Grant Cardone. That should pull some solid views.
I hope so, because, dude, Grant Cardone was off the rails in this speech. I hope people enjoy this video.
I'm sure they will. Just make sure you get some solid tags in there. And, I mean, people Google him. He's definitely a search term, so you should do well with it.
Yeah, well, this other guy I was talking to who also has done videos on Grant Cardone says that, like, because he's a much bigger YouTuber than I am, and he was talking about how, like, the Grant Cardone fan base is, like, coming at him. Like, apparently Grant Cardone's fan base is insane. They're like, which makes sense because he's a very cult leader type of guy. So we'll see when that happens.
So how are your website sales going for the month? You had a goal of 150 for the month. I said that might be unfair. Just because one is a shorter month, and now.
Well, maybe I'll stop vlogging at this point because I'm going to tell you how my website sales are doing, and I don't want my audience to know how bad I'm doing this month, guys. Everybody watching this vlog, I'm turning this off so that you don't lose respect for me. All right, so I just finished up with my calls. I just did 2 calls. I got off the phone with my mom a second ago, and we kind of discussed some details of the display, some additional things we might be ordering structurally for that, or some things we're doing. So tomorrow, which will be today for you guys because this is all in one video, you will get to see me head over to my mom's house and work on the display there, where we're actually going to set it up and get everything, like doing a practice run of how it's going to look. So I'm so excited to get the display complete. The planner is looking very full right now. Like, I keep adding more and more things to the to-do list as we go along, starting to fill out tomorrow now that I know I'm actually heading into the suburbs for that. So I'm gonna see my mom then. But for right now, I smell bad. I'm just gross. So I need to take a shower. So I'm gonna take a shower, and then after that, we'll get back to creating some toys, doing some painting, all that good stuff. All right, I'm out of the shower now. I've got a robe on. Got the laundry pile. We're gonna have to do that in a little bit. But for now, I'm gonna go and get some dinner ready. I'm gonna go ahead and make us a frozen pizza. We're gonna have dinner. When Tyler gets home, we're gonna have dinner together. And then after that, it's gonna be down to the workshop and up to the office to finish social media. So still got a busy day planned ahead. I think I'm gonna be working most of the evening tonight, but that is just fine with me. so it's pretty late now. I'm gonna head to bed because tomorrow I've got another really, really busy day, so I will see you then. Thank you so much for watching my latest business owner day in the life vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching my preparations for C2E2. I will definitely post another vlog after the convention is over because I want you guys to see what my display looked like there. I want to show you guys everything that went on at the convention because I'm super excited. So please let me know if you'd be interested in that kind of vlog in the comments below. I would love to hear from you guys more and what kind of videos you guys like. Don't forget, if you want to support the channel, we do have merch. You can check out merch linked in the description below. We have the Small Business Supporter Tote Bag, now available in both white and black, and we also have some t-shirts available. So go ahead and check those out. If you're interested in checking out Forever Home Friends, my small business that I'm preparing to exhibit, you can check out foreverhomefriends.com, also linked in the description below, as well as my young adult and new adult novels, Sculpt Yourself and Beauty King, which are also linked in the description below. So go ahead and check out those links. Have a good time. I appreciate you guys being here. Let me know what you thought of everything in the comments below. I'll see y'all again soon, but in the meantime, don't forget to support small businesses. Bye, everyone.